to be looking at the Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition 5G. So that's quite a mouthful. It's a long name, as you can see. As for the box, it's pretty minimalist, the usual all-white look. Samsung loves doing this. So what's interesting about this phone is it's a re-release of the popular S20, but this one is at a much cheaper price point and has some of the key essentials which I needed. So let's open up the box and see what it looks like inside. So that's interesting. You can see that this kit is not on top of the box, or rather doesn't fit into this, but it's rather held in the lid. So looking at this, you have the SIM ejector pin. What else do we have in there? Quick start guide. Probably in a bunch of languages. Yep. Several languages. What else? A warranty card. Alright. It's getting a little crowded here, but okay, let's put that warranty card there. And that's it. There's no, I was thinking there might be a clear case or something, but I don't see one there. Alright. Now let's get the phone. So there is this card, the insert to pick up the phone. That's for the phone. It's a shade of blue. Now you might notice that some brands have a plastic layer around the phone. Samsung instead has the bare phone, but they cover it with these plastic stickers to keep it fingerprint free and clean. So let's get rid of some of those. So there's one on the side. Looks to be one more on this side. This is the main one on the rear. Okay. You can see the camera setup. It's a triple camera setup. We'll go into more of the details and specs in the full review, so this is more just of a first impressions of sorts. Yeah. Buttons on one side. This side is clean. Oops, I almost dropped it. USB Type-C charging, so that's nice. That's a nice inclusion. And SIM tray up top. There's one more of these. Let's remove that. One more at the bottom. We shall remove that as well. At the bottom, you can see that it has bottom firing speakers. So it has one here. It is supposed to be a stereo speaker setup by virtue of the earpiece. So we will test that more in our full review. Now, this one's a little trickier to get off. Now, worth mentioning is that on the front, I can see right now that there is a screen. So there is a screen protector pre-installed. That's nice, a nice inclusion. Okay, so now that we have that off, you can see the phone. It's quite nice. So this is plastic, but it has a nice feel, though it's not glass or one of the premium materials. It has a nice textured feel. In terms of the color, it's got a metallic kind of color, so it is nice for sure. Oh, let's place that there. This card just says Samsung. It's there just to pick up the phone. Now, in terms of the included kit, there is a charger brick, right? And charging cable probably. Yep, charging cable here, right? And interestingly, that's actually it. There is nothing else in there. So if this guy wants to spring out, so okay, we'll just add it there. Now, in terms of headphones, you get none of that stuff. So if you're looking for added kit and accessories, yeah, not too much of that going on. But that's it for our unboxing and first impressions of the Samsung Galaxy Fan Edition 5G. So do look out for our full review on newsbytes.ph, where we will test this phone, take photographs, use it for a few days, talk about battery life, the screen, etc. It does have a lot worth talking about. Those cameras are supposed to be pretty good. The screen is a high refresh screen, so It's probably going to be a very exciting phone at the rather affordable price point for a Galaxy phone. So see you on newsbytes.ph with the full review.